What is up, Mr. Crazy 1870, and look what I have right here. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. Now I did not go with the Ultra. With the Ultra, you're looking at about $300 more. I just wanted to check this one out because it is the cheaper version, and once again, $1,300 to $1,400 on a phone is pretty up there. But still, this being the baseline model coming in at almost over $1,000 with tax and all, it's still pretty pricey. So I did go with the Mystic Green, just for the simple fact that because there was really no other colors in stock, so I had to get what I had to get. So it is what it is. Even though I still think that the Mystic Green color looks pretty dope as well. So here we have your SIM card tray tool, some paperwork, some, what is this? Quick reference guide, introduction, and pretty much terms and conditions, which is nothing really too exciting on that end. Put this right here. So here we have the phone, Mystic Green. Still looks pretty dope. Now, honestly, right off the bat, I'm not liking this plastic. I think they call it what, classic body type of style. It's pretty much plastic. Not too happy with it. For $1,000, you could really feel plastic, and it doesn't feel too nice. It doesn't feel too nice in the hands. Now it is sort of like a little matte type of cover. It also feels matte. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So I don't know. It's not too cool. You have your power brick right here, which is going to power on the charge the device, and also your charging cable, which is USB Type C. All right, so let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Bang bang. Let us do its thing. What is that? Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. So as far as the screen, you're looking at a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, and I don't know, something about this plastic body style, not too fond of it. You got the cameras in the back, which looks pretty crazy.
Turn on accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Okay. Okay, so accessibility mode. All right, so I gotta set this up. So as far as the cameras, you got the pretty much a little bump on the back with 3 cameras. You're looking at, what is it, the rear, you're looking at 12 megapixel camera, wide angle at f1.8, and you also got a 64 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide f2.2, and I think you also have 4K video as well, which is pretty dope. I'm really looking forward to, testing out the cameras on these Samsung devices. For some reason, their cameras and video quality and picture quality look really badass when it comes to the phones. So I gotta set this up. Let me see really quick. Oh man, I gotta set this up. Terms and conditions, read the rights, all that good stuff. All right, so I finally set it up, and I kind of passed by a lot of things because I really have to sit here and set some of these things up. But I did set it up via the pin pad code. You have a couple options: face recognition, pattern, old school pattern, and then you could do it via a pin. But I think face recognition is probably one of the fastest when it comes to unlocking your device. So here we are. On the front, you have a hole punch looking type of cutout, which features a front-facing camera. Now you're looking at a 10 megapixel shooter. In the rear, you got your 3 cameras. Now I was talking about 4K, but no, it is 8K video at 24 frames per second. Now we also got the fancy S Pen. Go ahead and take it out. You pretty much press it, and it pops out the pin, and it opens up an array of different types of apps that you can use. But let me go ahead and show something real quick. Let me do. You know what, let me create a note. You know what, let me go ahead and just do screen write. So it went to go ahead and took a screenshot picture, and I could go ahead and pretty much write something on it. You also have the cool sound effect going on right there, which is pretty cool. Once again, the S Pen is, I don't know, it's not for a lot of people. Some people love it, some people use it, some people just don't use it, and some people just lose it. But I still wanted to go ahead and feature that and show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just discard that. All right, so as far as what type of model did I get, I did go with the baseline model, 128 gigabyte. Under the hood, you're looking at a Snapdragon 865 and with 8 gigs of RAM. Now it should be snappy, I have no doubts about that. But one of the things you got to keep in mind is that with this model, you have no support for a extra micro SD card to expand your memory. I think that's only on the Ultra model. So with this one, if you get whatever memory size you get, that's what you're going to get. You're not going to be able to expand the storage on this device. As far as the battery, you're looking at a 4300 milliamp battery. I gotta go ahead and test out the battery life on that bad boy, but other than that, I'm really loving the screen. The screen size, 6.7 inch, is really nice screen real estate compared to the phone I have, but I'm just really not feeling that plasticky design on the back. I don't know, it just, honestly, I don't know, I gotta really spend some more time with it. But just out the box, I just wasn't really happy with the way it sounds and just the way it feels. So that's a Galaxy Note 20. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys have anything in particular that you guys want to see, once again, hit me up in the comment section. I might shoot a video later on today testing out the cameras on this, and then just follow up with my full-on impressions of the actual phone. Don't forget to check out the Two Letters videos. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and all that good stuff down in the video description. And if you're not yet subscribed, feel free to do so, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.